Lately, we increasingly come across headlines such as, "Discovery on the Giza Plateau shakes everything we thought we knew." A research team composed of Filippo Biondi, Corrado Malanga, and Armando May conducted a highly significant study. They used Doppler tomography and synthetic aperture radar, SAR, to investigate the internal structure of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Their research was first published as a preprint on Archive on August 1, 2022. The peer-reviewed version was officially published in the journal Remote Sensing on October 19th of the same year. The key results of this research were publicly presented for the first time on March 16, 2025, at a conference in Castel San Pietro Terme, Bologna. The findings suggest the existence of previously unknown internal structures within the Great Pyramid. This opens entirely new insights into its construction and potential purpose. The study proposes that these structures may have functioned as components of a massive resonator, potentially challenging the traditional view of the pyramid as merely a tomb. While these results are intriguing, the authors emphasize the need for further archaeological excavations and peer-reviewed studies to fully understand the implications. Even more fascinating is what lies beneath the pyramid itself. Thanks to SAR tomography, researchers discovered 5 massive structures near the base of the pyramid. They are connected by geometrically shaped corridors, each with 5 horizontal levels and sloped roofs. Below these structures lie 8 vertical cylindrical wells. They are surrounded by spiral descents reaching 648 meters below the surface. These cylindrical structures are connected to 2 enormous cube-shaped formations, each approximately 80 meters per side. Together, they form part of a system that stretches 2 kilometers beneath all 3 of the Great Pyramids on the Giza Plateau. The geometric precision of these underground structures clearly indicates an artificial complex, purposefully designed for an unknown function. For decades, mainstream Egyptology has claimed that the pyramids were tombs. But the precise geometric features, including constants such as pi, the golden ratio, and even the speed of light, challenge that narrative. The complexity and sophistication of both the above-ground and underground sections suggest a design intended to harness cosmic energy flows. This possibility was already suggested by Dr. Samir Osmanagic in his January 2017 paper, Discovery of Tesla's Torsion Fields on the Bosnian Pyramids. There, he presented the theory of a cosmic internet and the idea that pyramids serve as hardware elements of this system for intergalactic communication. Pyramidal structures around the world share identical geometric patterns. Their dimensions reflect relationships of universal constants, built thousands of years before the likes of Pythagoras, Fibonacci, or Neper defined them. The same geometry is found in Tesla's Magnifying transmitter in Colorado Springs. In the February 2020 article, Nikola Tesla and the Pyramids, it was demonstrated that, despite never explicitly referencing pi, the golden ratio, or the Fibonacci sequence, Tesla's machines inherently embody these constants. Tesla was an intuitive genius, a man who accessed information stored in the so-called Morphogenetic Field, or Akashic Records, a realm of reality containing all knowledge of past and future civilizations. His work on the Magnifying transmitter demonstrates complete harmonization with macro, micro, and hyper aspects of reality. This device operates as a sophisticated resonator, analogous to the Great Pyramid. It reveals that Tesla reached knowledge that could be described as stolen from nature. In his documents and diaries, Tesla explicitly states, "From this, the inferiority of the induction method would appear immense as compared with disturbed charge of ground and air method." Colorado Springs Notes, June 5, 1899. It is accurately proportioned to fit the globe and its electrical constants and properties. My Inventions, Chapter 6. It has to have a grip on the Earth so that the whole of this globe can quiver. L.I. Anderson, Sun Publishing, Denver, 1992. These statements clearly show that Tesla was aware of the importance of aligning his device's geometry with the Earth's own geometric and electromagnetic parameters. His constructions, such as the Wardenclyffe Tower, were designed not only for wireless transmission of sound and images, but also for wireless energy transmission, a system that grabs the Earth and makes it tremble. Such a principle cannot be explained within the limits of current electromagnetic theory, but it aligns perfectly with ancient teachings about energy. Recent scientific research points to the idea that the long-dismissed concept of ether is returning through the cosmological model of quintessence, a hypothetical form of dark energy in scalar field form, possibly the fifth fundamental force. This is further supported by experiments from the Hungarian Institute for Nuclear Research, which detected the X-17 particle, a potential quantum carrier of this new force. If the existence of this particle is confirmed, modern science will be forced to revise the standard model of particle physics, and to reconsider reintroducing the concept of ether, along with corrections to the interpretation of electromagnetic wave structures. Studies like Hertzian and non-Hertzian waves by Dr. I. Shimatovich suggest that transverse vector electromagnetic waves could be supplemented with longitudinal and vortex components. In this way, Tesla would return to the center of scientific discussion, and his previously unfulfilled concept, like wireless energy transfer, teleportation, anti-gravity, and even instant intergalactic communication, would no longer be considered pseudoscience. The latest discoveries from the Giza plateau provide a foundation not only for speculation, but for serious consideration. If ancient civilizations possessed such knowledge, and Tesla intuitively recreated it, then there is clearly a deeper thread connecting the past and the future. Nikola Tesla, a true follower of ancient knowledge, laid the foundations of future technology through his ether-based inventions. His legacy, in conjunction with new archaeological and scientific discoveries, invites us to redefine the limits of what we consider possible. Researching pyramids, studying sacred geometry, and re-evaluating Tesla's legacy could be the key to understanding the fundamental principles of nature and the Creator's matrix, paving the way for humanity's advancement in harmony with the laws of the universe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and support our work.